I can give you my personal guarantee that this question or a similar question will be on your SAT Math, and especially on Module 2, because it cannot be solved via Desmos and it does not have any numbers. So you have to be really good with your concepts in order to solve this question. Let's see. In the equation above, A and C are positive constants. How many times does the graph of the equation above intersect the graph of the equation y equals a plus c in the xy plane? So here we have a quadratic equation, and the leading coefficient a and the constant term, they are both positive. So first of all, if the leading coefficient is positive, so we have an upward opening parabola, right? And if just for 1 minute you ignore the constant term, just ignore this constant term, so the equation that you have is y equals ax square, and you know that the equation of y equals ax square is a parabola which has its vertex at the origin. So this is going to be a parabola like this. Y equals to ax square, its vertex will be at the origin. And now you have this minus c, and because of this minus c, this is going to do a translation c units down, because c is also positive. So when you're doing minus c, so basically you're doing minus 4 or minus 5 or whatever the value of c, that doesn't matter. So this parabola shifts down by c units. So this orange one is y equals to ax square minus c. And now we have to figure out that this parabola will intersect the graph of this equation how many times. Now, y equals to a plus c is going to be a straight line, and in fact it is going to be a horizontal line, because a plus c, both a and c are positive numbers. So if you add them, then also you'll get a positive number. And so y equals to a positive number, that is going to be a horizontal line, and it will be above the x-axis. So this line will look something like this. So this gray line is intersecting the orange parabola at 2 points. So answer C is correct.